Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? Hope you're feeling above average. I'm sure you are. Well, the weather's 22 degrees today and it's only 11:20 in the morning, so it's going to get hotter this afternoon. So I plan on going out and doing a bit of filming this afternoon, a bit of drone footage as well, so that's something to look forward to. But until then, I've purchased a STL 1902 pet dryer. Now I can hear yourselves asking yourselves, why has he bought a pet dryer? It's not for my dog, although we might use it with dog now and again, I don't know. But anyway, the reason I've bought this is because a motorcycle dryer and a pet dryer are virtually the same thing, with the same power outage. So the reason I bought a pet dryer is because it's probably half the price than a motorcycle dryer. I've seen motorcycle dryers on eBay going for £200. For this pet dryer I paid £54.99 with free delivery, so in my eyes it's a bargain. So I want to do a video. I've already done the KTM, I've not filmed it, but I want to do the BMW. The thing is with a pet dryer, the difference between a pet dryer and a motorcycle dryer is a pet dryer has got a heat setting on it, so you can turn it up and have the heat hot blowing out of the system. Now, make sure, especially if you've got plastics or exposed wiring, that you turn this this heat setting down to cold. You don't need it on hot, have it on cold, and that will do the job. So we'll go outside and we'll crack on with this video. Come on, let's do this then. So have a look then. So we've got the instructions. Oh, it looks like it's got a filter as well. Spare filter. These are the connections, the nozzle and the pet dryer part is that we won't be needing that. Yeah, different nozzles for end of the hose. The hose, yeah, it's quite good quality, and it's very flexible as well. Yeah. So that connects to the system. It's quite light for what it is as well. This. Yeah, so there was no sound on this video, so I'm just doing a voiceover over it. So again, I forgot to connect my mic up. I forget that the GoPro when it's set on mic didn't pick the mic up. So yeah, so we've got a heat setting, which you want that switched off at all time if you're doing your bike for obvious reasons. And that's the power on and off, and then you've got the dial that controls the strength of the air that's coming out of the system. Keep that switched off. The heat wants to be off at all time. Quite a sturdy bit of kit as well. Yeah, the body is made out of metal. It's got legs on it. Yeah, it's made out of metal, steel, metal legs. It's got little casters at the bottom, like little rubbers that hold it in place. And that's where the filter goes. It has actually got a filter in, but you get a spare filter with it. You need to get some one of these travel adapters as well. Just turn it from a 2-prong plug to a 3-prong. That sort of stuff to do really is just connect the hose to the system. It's got a clip on it that locks into place. Just push it on, move the clip as you push in, and it just slides on and locks into place. Jobs are done. Now, speed control right down, make sure your heat control is turned off, then just turn on the power. I'm sorry you can't hear the machine, it is quite quiet to be honest for what it is, about as loud as a vacuum cleaner. And then just go over the bits of the bike where you want to dry. Yeah, it's doing a good job of getting the water off, as you can see. Yeah, it's a brilliant bit of kit. Brilliant bit of kit is this. Yeah, while it's on cold, it's not going to do any damage to your plastics. It's getting rid of the water with ease. Yeah, good purchase. Probably saves you a lot of money in bloody microfiber cloths as well, although you will need them to polish. The bag there is just covering my phone holder up, I didn't want to get it wet. It's quite a powerful machine. Gets into all the nooks and crannies as well, gets them dry. Just remember, anything metal you need to make sure is dry as well, just to stop the rust from setting in.
You say you don't want to get in trouble, that you don't find 'cause you got me. I don't want to.
Hey YouTube, yeah, so we've done the BMW, and as the video shows you, it does get rid of all the water. It is quite important, as soon as you've washed your bike, to get it as dry as quickly as possible to set rust from setting, especially on your caliper bolts, your bolts on your engine. Anything metal needs to be dry. Your plastics obviously don't rust, but anything metal and aluminium will rust. So it's important that you get them dry as quick as you can, which I have done. It's a great bit of kit for 54 quid, 55 quid, whatever I paid for it, something like that. It does the job fantastic. So there you go. I'm going out for a ride this afternoon. I might have a bit of drone footage for you as well. The weather is scorching, it's just going to get hotter and hotter. It's like 22 degrees already. So yeah, I'll see you later. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for some more future content coming up shortly. Thank you.